Okay, 1/3 of the visitors, 1/3 of the visitors in the theme park were adults. 2/5 of the remainder were girls, and the rest were boys. 220 visitors were girls. How many visitors were adults? Okay, we do line by line. Okay, they mentioned 1/3 of the visitors were adults, right? And then I have the remainder. Can you see that they say 2/5 of remainder? Can I find my remainder first? Yeah, let's find remainder first. Okay, so remainder will be 1 whole minus 1/3 equals to 3/3 minus 1/3 equals to 2/3. Now my remainder here is 2/3. Okay, right now, can I find the fraction who were girls? 2/5 of the remainder were girls. I can find my girls, right? So to find my girls, it is 2/5 of the remainder. So 2/5 of means times the remainder is the 2/3 just now we got 2/3 equals to, can I do any crosswise here? I cannot. So I do row and row. Numerator and then denominator. 2 times 2 is 4. Over 5 times 3 is 15. So 4/15 are girls. All right. Now, if you mention here that the girls is 4/15, 15 is actually our total. 4 parts are girls. This is what it means, right? And then the rest are boys. So can I find the boys? I can find the boys, right? To find the boys, you can simply take your 1 whole, take away your 1/3 who are adults, take away your 4/15 who are girls. This is adults. This is my girls. This is 1 whole equals to 1 whole. Now we need to change everything to 15. Correct or not? Because this one is 15 already. Times 5 times 5. So 15/15 minus 5/15 minus 4/15. In short, is 15 minus 9. Okay. That will be 6/15. So this is my boys. I'm just parking here only. Okay. So 220 visitors were girls. So I don't want my boys actually. I'm just trying to show you that now, if you look at it, my adults, this is now my adults. My adults have already changed, right? And then I have my girls. This is my girls. And then I have my boys. I have everything ready. I have everything ready. But what do I want? What do I want? I want to look at my girls. 220 were girls. Okay, so we look at the girls. So girls is 4/15. 4 units out of 15 units. I'm going to use units. Okay, so 4 units is 220. 1 unit is 220 divided by 4 equals to 55. How many visitors were adults? Now I want my adults, right? So here, 5 what? 5 units. Okay, so 5 units is 55 times 5 equals to 275. This is my answer. So this is not right. 275 is my answer. Okay. Okay, Jun Feng paid $84 for a pair of jeans and a shirt. Means 1 jeans and 1 shirt. The price of a shirt was 2/5 of the price of a pair of jeans. I want you to focus on this fraction. This fraction. Usually what we know is you know that it's going to be times, right? You know that 2/5 of something means 2/5 times what? But the thing here now, if I say 2/5 times the jeans, I don't even know how much the jeans are, right? I don't know. So I can't just say 2/5 times 84. Then you are wrong. Because 84 is the total price of the jeans and the shirt. You cannot do that. So I'm going to bring down this fraction first. Remember just now I told you fractions in its simplest form is already in its units form. Remember? So we're going to use units and units. The first one is shirt. The second one is jeans. Put it behind like that. Now you see the magic. The top number or the numerator will be for the first item. The second number or denominator will be for the second item. So means the shirt is 2 units and the jeans is 5 units. Can see? This is numerator, this is denominator. I put it like that. Right? Maybe this is something new. But maybe it's not so new because if you convert it into your model, then you can see it properly. So your shirt is 2 units. Your jeans is 5 units, right? 5 units. 1, 2, 3. Okay, not equal. Let me redraw, make it the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Okay, like that. And my total cost is $84. Now, let's look. How many is the total unit? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 unit is 84. I want to know how much was the jeans. This is the jeans, right? I want to know 5 unit. Or you can simply find here lah. This is the jeans. This is what I want to find. So 7 unit represent 84. 1 unit will be whenever you want to find 1 unit, please lock it in your brain that you need to divide. Please remember that 84 divided by 7 and I will get $12. Now my jeans is 5 units. So $12 times 5 equals to $60. Answer. So Keisha, just now you got $12. This is for 1 unit. If your step is the same as mine, then you get the method marks, but your answer is wrong. Okay, no answer marks. Diana's mass is 5/7 of Stacy's mass. Fractions in its simplest form is in its units, 5 unit, 7 unit. Numerator is the first person. Denominator is the second person. Can you see there? So Diana is 5 unit and Stacy is 7 unit. I put it like that already. Okay, now next. Tiffany's mass is 7/10 of Diana's mass. Fractions in its simplest form is already in its units form. 7 unit, 10 unit. Numerator is the first person. Denominator is the second person. So this is 7 unit and this is 10 units. A comparison is given. Stacy is 27 kilogram heavier than Tiffany. Find Diana's mass. I'm going to use repeated identity concept here. Okay, repeated identity concept. So we're gonna draw a table. You don't want to draw tables, okay? But I like to put into tables so you can see clearly. All right. So we're gonna cut into 3 columns because there are 3 girls. So we have Diana and Stacy and Tiffany. Okay, so we cut into 3 column first, 3 row first. Okay, now we start with this one, Diana and Stacy. Diana is 5 unit, Stacy is 7 unit. Okay, then Tiffany and Diana. Then the next one, we go Tiffany and Diana. Tiffany is 7 unit and Diana is 10 unit. Can you see who is repeated? Whose column have more than 2 numbers? Column is going downwards. Whose column have more than 2 numbers? This person, right? Diana have 5 and Diana have 10. So you must make sure that Diana only have 1 number. So I'm going to change the smaller one to become the bigger one. So I'm going to change everything into 10 units only. So 5 times 2 becomes 10. So if this times 2 is for this row, it's for the first row, right? Then Stacy will also have to do the same because they are at the same row. Row is this way. Row is this way. Column is this way. Understand? Okay. So this is 10 units. I already put down there. This will be 14 unit. This one no change. So leave it as it is. So now they say that they are comparing between Stacy and Tiffany. Comparing means minus, comparing, heavier, compare. So 14 unit minus 7 unit equals to 7 unit. This is the comparison, which is actually my 28 kilogram. I want to find Diana's mass. This one. 7 unit is 28. 1 unit is 28 divided by 7. I get 4. Then Diana is 10 unit. 4 times 10 equals to 40 kg. Answer. Not this, but 40 kg. Okay, what concept? I repeat. Repeated identity concept. Repeated identity concept. You can see that Diana is repeated, right? Okay, copy down.